Sports families, what's good? Welcome to another edition of Random Thoughts. On yesterday, I posed a challenge to the group members. It's called the Random Thoughts Challenge, and quite a few of you all stepped up to the plate. We're still waiting to hear from the rest of you. But tonight, I want to go with a question that was posed by one of our longtime group members, an avid supporter of Sports Fan Radio. He's even a regular on the ever so popular show, Silver and Blue Saturday. That's right, go Cowboys. He represents those Cowboys just like I do. But anyway, Jeffrey's question to me was, will the balance of power ever shift back to the Eastern Conference? Even with LeBron James returning home to play with the Cavaliers, I'll be honest with you, the balance of power is still a long way from shifting back to the East. You got the defending world champion San Antonio Spurs, who will never go away. It doesn't seem like it. You got the Oklahoma City Thunder. You got the Los Angeles Clippers, the Portland Trail Blazers, the Memphis Grizzlies, the Golden State Warriors. I mean, any of those teams could win the Eastern Conference easily. And I mean, with LeBron returning to Cleveland, the Vegas odds automatically say now that the Cleveland Cavaliers are the odds-on favorite to win the NBA championship. Keep adding fuel to the fire for Greg Popovich and the Spurs. You know, I just don't think that, these guys are going away anytime soon. Oklahoma City, they are, a few pieces away from actually being a title winner, I think, themselves. I think that loyalty before honor will, or whatever his name is, he changes it every week. But loyalty, I'm talking to you, will be happy to hear me say that because he picked the Thunder to win a championship every year. But anyway, I just think the Western Conference is too strong. I think that Cleveland is still, maybe a year or two away, a couple of pieces away because Wiggins is young. Kyrie Irving, it's time for you to prove yourself. You're an all-star, but I mean, hey, the spotlight is on you now. It's more so on you than it is LeBron because you're probably the greatest point guard that LeBron has ever played with. So let's kind of see how this thing plays out. But to answer the question, the Western Conference still ruled, and they will do so for a long time. That's my random thoughts for tonight. Be sure to check us out at www.sportsfam.net. Also, if you have a challenge for random thoughts that you would like for me to talk about, email me at wtjohnson@sportsfam.net. And if you want to hear more about LeBron James returning to Cleveland, check out the Gridiron Girl, T. Nichelle, latest blog on the Sports Fam website. Just click the Hot Off the Press tab and you can read all about it. But that's it for tonight, Sports Fam. Be easy and keep doing your thing. Peace.